Welcome back. You're watching Ask Profit, and we are in the midst of taking all of your questions. The next one I will take is slightly broad-based. This is from Vineet. He's writing in from Goa, and he's asking, what should so he's saying what should a small investor do? But he's got a very short-term time frame. He's asking whether, based on the results tomorrow, he can look at stocks like NHPC or IRFC from the perspective of the next 10 days and look to make a profit. Osho, tough to call, right? We've seen significant moves in these stocks. What would you recommend that he do?
See, for NHPC, there will be some kind of volatility that can be seen, but overall the structure is very positive. So on the lower end, 108 and 106 should be acting as a very strong support zone. Until it sustains above these levels, one should not be very much worried in these counters. But as he needs a kind of a BTST kind of a situation in NHPC, so I will recommend to have this call, but with a strict stop loss of 106. In the coming period, one can expect a target of nearly 118 to 125 in very short-term perspective.
All right. Coming back to you on Angel One, this is a stock that Puneet Saxena from Ghaziabad has bought at levels of 2605. Should he add, hold, or sell with a 3-month time horizon? What are the key levels or targets that you would set for this particular stock, Osho?
See, for me, coming from the same company, I cannot comment on the technical view for Angel One.
Apologies, I completely forgot. Then Lancelot, I know that 3 months would be hard for you to predict, but then based on what we're seeing today, and I think a lot of people using some of the discount broking applications would be a little disappointed based on the fact that they've seen glitches on a day when the market has done incredibly well. Do you think that consolidation will take place, that there will be a dethroning, if you can call it that, of a few brokers that have seen tremendous traction? Angel One, what are the prospects?
So I would think that, Angel One has good prospects going forward because, it has been a leader amongst the brokerage plays. And most of the companies which have moved into technology and, are being driven by technology are seeing good amount of growth and traction. Apart from that, as the volumes will keep growing, as our market keeps getting deeper and more people start getting attracted to the market, and as valuations go up, the volumes keep rising, and that augurs well for brokerage companies. And Angel One, having a significant market share, is poised to benefit from this growth over the next 2 to 3 years. So I think even from a valuation perspective, it's reasonably priced, considering that you are going to see over the next 3 to 5 years significant growth in the markets as well as in volumes. So one can stay invested or even look at accumulating the stock for a long-term appreciation.
And look at the potential, right? Because Lancelot, you're saying this despite doubling over the last 12 months, that it is still something that you can buy. The next question is